Photoshop, type. So when I say the word type, you can intermix or exchange it for the word text. So the key thing with using type in Photoshop, it basically, you want to use it sparingly. Photoshop was not built to do typography. Oftentimes we use type along with our color and imagery to complement. So type is used to complement or reinforce the message. If you do use type on your Photoshop graphics, you want to keep it short, direct, and to the point. It really should not overwhelm or distract from the image. So you never want to demand too much reading, and it really is the overall appearance that drives that point home. Now, when we're going to mix fonts, we should try to limit ourselves to only 2 fonts. Using more than 2 fonts can be very distracting, can be very unprofessional. So really, type should be the messenger, not the message. So let's take a look at what we have in Photoshop for our type tools and how we can go ahead and create type in Photoshop.